Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Arlo Pro 5S camera step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the Arlo Pro 5S camera and its components. Ensure you have all the items, including the camera, charging cable, power adapter, mount, and screws. Locate the Arlo app on your mobile device and download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Arlo app and create a new account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, tap the Add Device button. Select Security Camera from the list of device types. Choose Arlo Pro 5S from the available camera options. Make sure the camera is charged and press the power button to turn it on. Once powered on, wait for the LED indicator to light up blue. Follow the app prompts to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi network name and password when prompted. After the camera connects to the Wi-Fi, it will prompt you to name your camera. Choose a suitable name that reflects where you will place the camera. Proceed to mount the camera in your desired location. Use the included mount and screws to securely attach the camera to the wall or ceiling. Adjust the camera angle for optimal viewing coverage. After installation, return to the app to complete the setup. Tap Finish to finalize the installation process in the app. You can now test the live view function from the app to ensure everything is working properly. Adjust any settings, such as motion detection and notifications, to fit your needs. Your Arlo Pro 5S camera is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.